Merry Christmas, everybody. It's 2 days until Christmas 2021, and tonight we're going to make some eggnog so that we can celebrate in style. I will warn you ahead of time, I've never made this recipe, so you will be learning the ins and outs and goods and bad as I learn it. Before we get into that, I want to announce the winners of the gingerbread house making contest, and we had great submissions this year. It was really, really fun. We have decided that everybody is going to get a $10 off coupon, and you can come in next week after Christmas and pick that up. We'll have them aside with your names on them. So everybody's a winner because we loved all of them and we couldn't choose one. We did choose one that is very unique, and we'll be posting these all on social media. We got a really beautiful Christmas cactus made out of gingerbread, which was gorgeous, and that it was made by Leslie Christensen and Angela Carla. And so those people will be winning a $25 gift certificate. And because we couldn't decide on any of the other ones, we're just going to draw names. I will draw the non-traditional first. And the winner is Jan Flowers, who built a gazebo, and it was really cute. So we'll be posting that. Congratulations, Jan, and you can come in and get your gift certificate for that. And then we had the traditional candy-covered houses, and the winner is Danielle Selhaney. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. So congratulations, you winners. Come in and get your $25 gift certificate. Everybody else is also a winner, so make sure you come in for your $10 off coupon, which can be used for most things in the store. And we are definitely going to do this again next year, so start thinking about what you want to make for next year because it's going to be really fun. So let's get into eggnog, a holiday tradition, high calorie, not probably much of anything really healthy in here. I mean, there's milk and eggs, but it's definitely high fat and delicious. So we're going to start by separating our egg yolks. And so I have my whole eggs. Is that better? Am I rustling too much? Okay, sorry about that, folks. So I'm just going to separate my eggs. I usually do these by hand and get egg white and egg yolk all over me. You can use an egg separator if you want. I just think this is quick and easy, and I don't mind getting my hands messy. I like to play with my food. So we're going to be using the yolks in the eggnog. However, Alton Brown suggests whipping up the whites separately and folding them into your eggnog after, and it makes for a creamier, fluffier eggnog. Oops, that yolk is a little bit broken. So you can try that. What we're making is the base, which is non-alcoholic, but you can put in rum or bourbon or whatever you like to give it a little bit of Christmas cheer, if you will. The other thing to know about this recipe is that you want to put it into the fridge after you make it and get it nice and cold before you serve it. All right, there are our messy yolks and whites. So we're going to put 6 egg yolks into our mixer. You can use a hand mixer if you want to. Uh-oh, I need a scraper. This one. You can use a hand mixer. You definitely want an electric mixer so that you can get it really fluffy. If you try to do it by hand, you can still do it, but it'll take a bit longer. And we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to put, it says 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to start with about 1/2 a cup, and I'm just going to eyeball it. Obviously, if you like it really sweet, add more. If you don't like it super sweet, add less. And we're just going to whip this up. Here, let me pull that around so you can see it a little better. We are going to whip this until it is kind of pale. And this is, again, our Smeg mixer that we've been using quite a lot. We have the Smeg and the Cuisinart stand mixers in the store right now. We have both of them in our kitchen and have used both, and we love them both. The Smeg is a little bit more powerful, so if you're doing cookie doughs or bread doughs or anything like that, you're probably better off with the heavier duty. Unfortunately, we don't have any KitchenAid. We haven't been able to get KitchenAid, but hopefully they will be here this spring, we're hoping. All right, so my egg yolks are pale, and you can see they're pretty pale, and I am going to add 2 cups. Oh no, I'm going to just beat this a little more, sorry. Like I said, I've never made it before. Yeah, so they say do the yolks and then add the sugar and beat more, but whatever, it's going to be fine. All right, that looks good. So now I'm going to add heavy cream and whole milk. So 2 cups of whole milk. And we are open till 7. If anybody's watching right now live and you still have some shopping to do, we're here until 7 tonight. We'll be here until 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Hi, Mike.
Hi there.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm taking care of all the customers, but waiting for some more customers to come down and see us tonight.
Awesome.
For all of you who are watching live.
So if you're watching live, come on in and buy your cinnamon and nutmeg and all of that stuff. And if this is chilled, you can try some eggnog. It probably won't be chilled. Milk, cream, spices, and vanilla. So I'm going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. We carry this Mexican vanilla. We also carry vein vanillas, which are mixed in different spirits. So there's like a bourbon vanilla and a rum vanilla. I'm not sure what this one's mixed in, but there are some different choices. So there is a teaspoon. And then I need a teaspoon of fresh nutmeg. You can use ground nutmeg, but this is really the way to go, because this is the flavor of eggnog is really the fresh nutmeg. So if you can do fresh nutmeg, highly recommend it. Don't drop the whole nutmeg in there like I almost did. And it calls for a teaspoon, and I'm just eyeballing this as best I can. Teaspoon seems like a lot, but that's what it says, so that's what we'll do. It smells like Christmas. Okay, then we have 1/8 of a teaspoon. This is a quarter, so I'm going to just guesstimate. 1/8 of a teaspoon of clove and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. These last two are optional. The nutmeg is not optional. Do not make eggnog without nutmeg. It just is not eggnog. All right, those are all my ingredients except for the rum or bourbon, which we won't be drinking here at the store, at least not until the doors are closed. Whoa. And we're just going to mix this. And then what we're going to do is just cover this and refrigerate it. I'll put it into a pitcher. And it smells really yummy. This is going to go into the fridge, and it will thicken up a little bit in the fridge. It should. And that is eggnog. It's that simple. Like I said, Alton Brown suggests whipping up your egg whites and folding those in for a thicker, creamier, richer eggnog. But that's basically all it is. It's egg yolks, sugar, cream, milk, and spices. And that's going to be awesome. So we'll have some of this tomorrow. Make sure you make yours tonight or tomorrow morning so you can have it Christmas Eve. And that is all. Congratulations again to our winners on the gingerbread contest. And thank you everybody for submitting. It was just awesome to see all the creativity. Come pick up your $10 off coupon next week after Christmas. We will be closed Christmas Day, Saturday. We'll also be closed Boxing Day, which is Sunday. So we'll be open again on Monday. And then next week we'll be doing creme brulee and tasting some bubbly, I think, on Thursday. And we'll be closed on New Year's Day as well. So we will hopefully see you tonight or tomorrow before the holiday, and then after the holiday next week. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays, and thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next week.